So in today's video, tomorrow is opening day of duck season. Boondog here has never been on a duck hunt before. He's been getting work, getting trained all summer long to be able to come out this season and kick some butt on the water. I'm gonna go take Boone out to the pond and I'm gonna make it as real as possible. We're gonna have everything, have decoys out and everything as real as possible for him so he'll be ready to go tomorrow. Let's load up everything and let's head out. Load up. Watch what's gonna happen. I'm gonna open up this door right here and Boone's gonna shoot straight to the water. Watch. What'd I say? Okay, so we made it down here to the pond and now it's time to work. So let's start the waders on and get these decoys put out. Alright, so I got Boone's most realistic bird bumper. Good place. Good boy, sit. Alright, we got him in here. So we're gonna do a couple runs without the shotgun. Then I'm gonna go grab the gun and we'll do a couple runs with that. So first run, here we go. So he does sit. Good boy. Boom. Goes right by the decoys. He is headed straight to that bumper. Go boy, hey, back up. Back up. Place. Place. Boom. Place. Gentle. Good boy. Good boy. Boom. Good boy, Boone. Stop. Good boy, Boone. Heel. Place. No, fetch it up. Fetch it up. Place. Sit. Good boy. Hey. Boom. Heel, hold, sit, fetch it up, fetch it up, sit, good boy. Good boy, Boone, come here. Hold it. Hold it, good boy, here. Hold place, fetch it up. So all right, so that was enough work for him on the water. Now I'm gonna pick up all these decoys, pick up his marsh, and I'm gonna work on some backs and overs with him. So I'm gonna get this all picked up. I'll pick you guys back up and we get it all picked up. Probably 40 yards from where I'm standing right now. We're gonna take Boone. I'm gonna send him down on a couple backs just to kind of get that through him today. I'm trying to stay consistent with it just because he was kind of having a little bit of problems when I got him back, and so I started working on figuring it out as we went. Now he can go up to 110 yards on a back, so it's really good. We're gonna work on this, just do a couple little runs with him, call it a day. So let me get him over here. Boone, come on, Boone. All right, so we're just gonna do a couple little backs and see how it goes. Good, dead, back. Good boy, here. Good. Good boy. Heel. Heel. Sit. Good. Good boy. Good back. Good boy, here. Touch it up, hey, touch it up. Hold it. Good boy, come. Touch it up. Hold, heel, hold, good heel. Boone, heel, hold, sit. Good boy. Just like that. That's all the training we're gonna do today. We did a lot of training, but thank you guys so much for tuning in on this video. If you haven't already, go down, hit the like, subscribe button. If y'all like the Boone videos, go down in the comments, let me know, because you got a lot of them coming to you. Got a lot of hunting videos coming, and he is going to be one great dog. Try to put in a lot of time with him, get him to be one of the best dogs we're duck hunting. So, thank y'all so much for tuning in on this video, and as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.